What are we doing right now? We are geeking out over airplanes that we're flying. He flies.
Yep.
And so we're now, where are we right now? We are in Okeechobee. Yeah. So I just came from Sarasota. We're in Okeechobee, and so it's plan time. We're going to plan. This is our first time. Your first time as well?
First time in formation.
We're gonna do a formation flight. I would say, how far is that? Like where that jet is?
You're probably looking at about 100 feet.
That's still very safe.
Yeah. Oh, easy.
So
I was thinking more like 50.
Right. I was thinking like right.
No, not that close.
Look right here.
No way.
It depends on how smooth the air is.
Yeah. So that's a 152. This is a 172S. And so let's plan. All right.
Okeechobee traffic, Cessna 6376 Mike, crossing runway 2305, Okeechobee.
Good oil pressure, good oil temperature.
70 Romeo Victor is crossing 235 on Bravo, Okeechobee. Okeechobee traffic, Cessna 6376 Mike, departing runway 32, Okeechobee. Papa 1, you here? 6 Mike, I got you, Sierra Papa.
I like Alpha 1. Alright, I got him.
We're at 1800, climbing at about 400 feet per minute. We're at 2500 now, Alex.
Alright, so let's keep it at 25, okay?
2500, you got it.
And here I come. Just keep this heading. There he is. This is amazing. I have to keep full concentration. How the hell do the Blue Angels do it? And they do it. You're fine. Keep that headed.
You got it.
There we go. There we go. Let's keep it like that. Okay, standard left turn.
Standard left turn, here we go. out with that road that's directly below us. You see it?
Yeah, do it. I just got a new level of respect for Trent Palmer. He does this all the time. This is amazing. This is what life is about right now.
This is definitely the coolest thing I've seen.
Okay, you want to do a left 180?
Left 180. Here we go.
Okay, that's it. I got to depart.
Alright, have a good one.
I'm going to come right up and then I'm going to brake.
Alright.
All right, now it's time to head home. That was absolutely epic.